3 days ago, we were very lucky that we had another Asian elephant female born here. Her mother is Farina. She is 17 years old. This is her 4th calf that she had, and she's done a great job, you know. She gave birth very, very quickly, you know, within 3 hours of going into labor, it was done, and she had given birth and it was suckling. And then we move on to watching things like that she's suckled, that she's had her first poo, and that there's no issues with anything like that. And then it's watching how she progresses with the rest of the herd, you know. It's a matriarchal society. It's very important that she fits in. So, as you can see, they're quite close to us. But it's very important that...
Je me sens totalement
Our park, they're an endangered species. There's only 38,000 wild Asian elephants left in the world. It's very, very, very important that we continue to breed Asian elephants as a captive population.